सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें सारी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस पाने के लिए।
Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to yet another video. And before starting this video, I want to say that it might help you to clear your mind for July 2020 examinations. Also, I will be sharing my opinion by the end of this video that whether the July exams will be conducted or not, because many students were asking me and they're confused that whether these exams will be held or not, right? So also that would be my opinion, of course. And one more thing I want to say, that if you agree with my opinion, then do like this video, otherwise simply dislike this video. So without wasting much time, let's begin. From the past few days, I am noticing that some students were conducting polls that whether the exams will be postponed or not, whether exams will be conducted or not. And I will say that this is complete waste of time if you are indulging in such type of activities, that whether the exams will be conducted or not, or even if you are voting this, even if you are conducting that polls, even if you are in any manner connected with connected with this thing, that whether the exams will be held or not, you are simply impacting your mental state, because in competitive exams mental state is very necessary to be at the right place. And if you indulge in any of these activities, then it's not going to help, because this voting won't help in doing the decision, in making the decision from the institute will surely take care of this thing, and they will decide themselves that what is better for us. So it's better to leave this thing with the institute and do our own part, that is to study. I know we are going through a pandemic situation and we are not in a good mental state, but the thing is, I also agree that 20% students are there who don't have resources, but 80% are there who can study but have stopped their preparations after the exams were postponed, or are not able to study, or are not studying. So I want to say that let the government and institute decide their part. What we can do is we can simply study. We can simply like एक बहुत ही लीडर ने, ग्रेट लीडर ने बोला था, एक अगर आप वर्कर है उसको वॉल बनाना है तो वो क्या करेगा, एक ईंट लगा रहा है, ठीक है, वॉल बनाने के लिए, वो नहीं देख रहा कुछ उसको इतना बड़ा वॉल बनाना है, बट वो ईंट लगा रहा है। तो आपको भी अब उसको एक ईंट लगानी है 10 मिनट में, तो आपको भी इसी तरीके से आप इसको एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि आपको 10 मिनट में एक टॉपिक खत्म करना है, ठीक है। तो आप ऐसे 10-10 मिनट में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं और बाद में आपका ये लेवल यहाँ हो जाएगा। आई विल से इफ एग्जाम्स विल नॉट बी कंडक्टेड, देन इफ you will appear in December attempt, right? But will you get the time again which you have wasted, or which you are wasting right now? No, right? So it's better to not waste time. थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, but at least करो, right? Maybe even I am in Delhi and here the cases are rising rapidly. Also there was earthquake there was 5th earthquake after the lockdown has been announced, and I have workload for my job also. Still I am trying to pull out some time for myself and for my studies. I am trying to cover some topics. Whatever exams will be conducted or not, that's completely the decision. Also the thing is, many of the students might be watching news continuously, so I will recommend that don't watch news whole day. Just see the cases in your mobile only, because media is the biggest virus in our country. I believe, I think so, right? So what I do, I simply see the cases in the mobile, and that's it. That's all for the day, because we have to protect ourselves. Do not think about the macro environment. Just think about the micro environment. Just focus on yourself at this time of moment. Okay, just focus on your mental state and do some exercises that will surely help you. So this is the thing. And if you still think that exams will not be conducted, then it's okay, but at least do your part, at least study. And as per my opinion एग्ज़ाम होने के चांसेस बहुत ही टफ हैं, ठीक है। बाकी let the institute and the government decide the less chances of the examination, but whatever यार, होने दो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई भी चांसेस होने दो, ठीक है। बट हमें तो अपनी पढ़ाई करनी है, हम पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़ेंगे, हम तूफानी बच्चे हैं, राइट। तो जितना भी हो सके उतना पढ़ो, थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ो। ऑल्सो यू कैन डू वन थिंग विच आई हर्ड फ्रॉम यूट्यूबर, माइट बी इज अ टीचर, आई डोंट नो। तो उन्होंने एक बात बोली थी, यू कैन डिवाइड योर डे इंटू 2 parts, लाइक 12 hours फॉर वन डे एंड 12 hours फॉर सेकेंड डे। 24 hours, 12 hour को एक वन डे मानो और 12 hour को वन डे मानो, ठीक है। तो एक 12 hours में तो आपको 6 to 8 hours की स्लीप भी लेनी है, ठीक है। तो ऐसे उसको भी आप 2 hours में ब्रेक करके अपनी स्टडीज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, तो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स करो, छोटे छोटे स्टडी नोट्स खत्म कर सकते हो. लाइक इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर स्टडी नोट 2, देन यू कैन कंप्लीट स्टडी नोट 2.1 इन 10 मिनट्स एंड स्टडी नोट 2.2 इन 10 मिनट्स. इससे क्या होगा, आपका एक मोटिवेशन बिल्ड अप होगा, राइट. तो ऐसे आप कर सकते हैं. तो मैं भी ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ, बट मेरी जो स्ट्रेटजी मैं आपको बताने आ गया कि शायद आपको भी हेल्प करे ये. सो दिस इज़ इट, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो शेयर माई ओपिनियन. सो डोंट थिंक whether the exams will be conducted or not. Just do your part and let the institute and the government decide about it. So all the best, and if you still face any issues in studying, I am just a message away. You can simply message and I will try to help you out. That's it. All the best. Stay connected.